Hello and welcome to Someka product database template for Google Sheets. To use the template, make sure you're online and sign into your Google account, and you have to make a copy of this file. Just go to File and click on Make a Copy. This tool helps you to keep and track all your product data with dynamic features. The template has 7 parts: the navigation part, metrics info, settings, product database, and 3 output sections, which are dynamic list, form, and dashboard. Let's start with the metric info section. In this section, we input the metrics used in the drop-down menus throughout the template. Also, bulleted notes for each metric can be added in the second column. Let's add another metric. Let's delete the example metrics first and add the new one. Now we can continue with the settings. In settings, you can modify the lists that appears on the drop-down menus in the database section. You can add a new metric and add their relevant options, like this. Let's continue with the database section. This is where you input your products. Input your product ID, product name, its category, origin, color, responsible person, weight, cost of unit, and contact info. There are 2 sections here. The drop-down part, where you can choose the category and their options from the drop-down menus, like this. And the free input part, where you can choose the category, but enter the relevant data manually, like weight or dimensions. Let's continue with the dynamic list. Here, you can filter your data and track your products easily by using the filters located on the left. Remember, all the metrics available on the drop-down menus are added to the metric info section. Now let's continue with the form section. In the form section, you can prepare forms for each product. Just select the product from this list, then select the metrics you want to add to your form. And lastly, we can check the dashboard section. In this section, you can track your data for each metric. You can select the metric for each chart here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at someka.net.